evening, my dear students. Now, today we will going to proceed lesson number 4, simple equation. My dear students, here what mean by simple equation? Simple equation means here we will going to learn about linear equation in one variable. That is called simple equation, my dear student. Generally, we can write as ax plus b is equal to 0. What mean by equation and algebraic expression, my dear students? If right side nothing will be given, only this much given, then it is called expression. If something given with equal sign on right side, then it is called equation. So I hope so, my dear students, all of you understand what mean by algebraic expression and equation. Algebraic expression means only there will be variable, constant, and nothing will be there on right side with equal sign. Then it is called algebraic expression. This is called algebraic expression. But if there is something on right side with equal sign, then it is called equation, my dear student. Like it is given ax plus b is equal to 0 or something constant number or variable other algebraic expression also given right side, then it is called equation, my dear student. When there will be involvement of one variable with highest power 1, then it is called simple equation. Or in other way, my dear students, simple equation means the highest power of variable will be 1. The highest power of variable should be 1, and that is also called linear equation in one variable. Either you say simple equation or you can say linear equation in one variable, my dear student. Now let us proceed some questions in the exercise 4.1. Question number 1. These are the sub part of the question number 1. First and ninth one I am doing, my dear students. Other sub questions are similar type. Here we have to check out whether x is equal to 3 satisfies to this value or not. We have to check out whether it is satisfies to the given value or not. If, my dear students, here I put x is equal to 3 in this one, right side is 0 given. If we will get LHS equal to RHS, when we will get LHS equal to RHS, then it is called satisfy, then it is called solution of the given equation. If after putting this value it will not satisfy, I mean if we will not get LHS equal to RHS, then it said that it is not a solution, it is not a satisfy the equation. So let us put value of x is equal to 3 in this equation, my dear student. Then what we will get? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So here left side we got 6, my dear student, but right side is given 0, but LHS is not equal to RHS. What does it mean? It means that it is not satisfies to the given equation, hence it is not a solution, or you can say it is not a satisfies the given equation. Either you say it is not a solution, or you say it is not satisfying the equation, my dear students. Similarly, for the ninth one, m by 3 is equal to 2 given. Against that, we have to put value of m is equal to 0, and we have to check out whether it is satisfies to this equation or not, or it is a solution of the given equation or not. Either you say it is satisfy the equation, or you can say it is a value of the given equation or not. How we will come to know, my dear students? Whenever we will get LHS equal to RHS by substituting a value of the variable, and when we will get LHS equal to RHS, that means it will be the value of the given equation, it will satisfy the equation, and so on. So let us put value, my dear students. Here m is 0 given, 0.3 is equal to 2. 0 divided by 3 will be 0 only, my dear students. So here 0, left side we are getting 0, but right side is given 2. Hence, it is not satisfies the equation because we are not getting LHS equal to RHS. So right here 0 is not equal to, I means LHS is not equal to RHS, my dear students, and therefore it is not a solution. Even right here, it is not a solution. It doesn't satisfy. It doesn't satisfy. It does not satisfy. It does not satisfy to the equation. Okay, my dear students. Similarly, we can see for 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. That is question number 2, F1. Here also we have to check whether it is a solution. P is equal to 0 is solution of this equation or not. What mean by solution? By putting value of P, we should get LHS equal to RHS. If LHS is not equal to RHS coming, then it is called it is not a solution. If we will get LHS equal to RHS, left hand side is equal to right hand side in the equation, then it is called solution. Otherwise, it will not be solution of the given equation. So let it put P is equal to 0, my dear students. 4, P is given 0, minus 3 is equal to 13. So 4 into 0 will be 0 only, my dear students. 0 minus 3 will be minus 3 is equal to 13. Here also we are not getting LHS is equal to RHS. So here LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore it is not a solution. It is not a solution of the given equation. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day. May God bless you. Regarding any doubt, you can write in comment box or you can do personal WhatsApp, my dear student. Thank you so much, my dear student. May God bless you.